beautiful and viral designs just for you. You were asking for viral designs, viral collections, so I have brought you. If you want this collection, you're going to get it, but not for B2C. No. Only for B2B, because we deal in set-wise collection M, L, XL, XXL. So in this video, I'm going to show you all this bold color collection. If you want to order this, you just have to do one thing. Numbers are given on the screen. You have to call us and place your order. Let's begin with the first color, beautiful black color. You can see the black beauty is very beautiful. Every girl's dream, every girl's favorite closet color is the black one. You can see the neck area also is beautifully crafted, plus you can see the silver detailing on it, and it will come in rayon fabric. If you want to see the another sample, you can see this piece also, it's also in rayon, plus it will come with heavy dupatta design. And you can see this, you will get the proper sequence dupatta with it and the same fabric pants with it. You can see how beautiful it is. If you want to order this any collection, you can take the screenshot. I have told you, you can see the numbers on the screen. You can call us or you can WhatsApp us and you can place the order. Let's go on to the next collection. See this collection, very beautiful peach color collection. You can see on the neck as well the green and the thread work detailing, mirror work detailing. It will come with a cotton pants. It will come with again with a sequence and the zari weaving dupatta. Now I'll show you the next fabric. It will be in the Vatican fabric, very beautiful purplish color, magenta color as well. You can say, you can see the neck detailing is very beautiful, plus you can see the proper mirror work along with the thread work. And if you want to order this collection, I'm telling you once again, you can buy it from us. Trust, if you're coming to Surat, don't trust the fraudster. They are going to tell you they are the manufacturers and they will loot you or they will charge extra for everything. In our Shiven Trendz, you are going to get collection just from starting price of 389. I'm telling you once again. Now you can see this beautiful turquoise color also, very beautiful. And on the neck, you can see the neck pattern is very beautiful, even with the color design, thread work and everything. You can see how soft it is. If you're from Tamil Nadu, if you're from south side, north side, east side, everyone can get the collection. COD is available, but within the country. If you are from the outer country, you can place the order, and international shipping is also available. You can see the neck as well, very beautiful design. Plus you can see how beautiful the fabric is. It's in Roman shimmer collection. If I talk about the dupatta, you are going to get this sequence dupatta and with the same fabric pant. Now let's go on to the next collection, green color collection, very beautiful collection. You can see the green color. I'm going to show you all colors. If you want to order it, you can order it now. You can place the order online or you can visit us at Shiven Trendz, which is located in Surat, Gujarat. For the full address, you can see the description, and it's your channel. Like, comment, share and subscribe, and tell me in the comments where you're watching this video from. Let's meet in the next video. So do subscribe the channel.